Good morning, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Vlogmas. Today is Monday. Today is Taz's day off, and typically we like do something, but today we don't have any plans. So we are staying in. I have so much work to do that I didn't get done yesterday because baby wouldn't let me. So now that Taz is here, I'm gonna take advantage and see if I can get all this done. So today's video is going to be a little bit of everything. I'm gonna show you how I'm eating, the changes I've made. If you've watched my last video, you'll know that I have to make a few changes because of my blood work that came back. If you're very confused, I'll link the video down below so you guys can watch it. And I'll kind of take you along my day. I'm doing a lot of filming today. I had coffee this morning. I did have it with this toned up collagen creamer. And I actually really like this creamer because it dissolves like so easily. And I tend to forget that. So I'm gonna try my best to start to implement this again. It's an easy way to just get, is it 10 grams of protein? Yeah, 8 grams of protein. So in your morning coffee, you can't even like taste it or even like recognize it. So I think it's a really easy way to get more protein in. Now I'm hungry, so I'm gonna have a little breakfast. And I think I bought, I think I'm gonna have this yogurt that I made yesterday. It's just this yogurt with some granola and some honey on top. I'll show you guys when I'm done, and then I'm gonna kind of go in my office and plan my day. I should also say that I'm filming a full day of eating for Tone It Up. So if you see like my camera in the back and my stand, that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to just do both at the same time. So just FYI. Greek yogurt, that grain-free granola that I found at HEB. It's actually really good. This is soft and chewy gingerbread, no oats or grain fillers, no added sugar or sweeteners, and it's from this company, Wild Way. And then honey is just the raw Texas honey, and then the Greek yogurt is just Greek vanilla yogurt with 13 grams of protein. Okay, so far so good. My protein is up for the day, which is the problem that I had. Well, one of them. Daddy's coming. Daddy's coming.
Who's this little girl?
This little cub.
Hi, baby.
Isn't this so cutie? Look at her ear.
Oh my gosh.
Her little ear.
Oh.
It's chilly here. We want to stay warm, right?
So cutie. Oh, I love it. Hey,
So, the little cub has hiccups. Oh my god, you're precious. Okay, take a picture.
And little hands.
I know. I don't want to give you a peep show here. And then do you typically turn it on and then put it on, or do you put it on and then turn it on?
Yeah, I like to just power it up. Awesome, good job.
Can I put it like this?
Yeah, you can put it through too.
I mean, it's in.
When was the last time you breastfed?
10 minutes, 20 minutes ago.
Okay.
Oh, that would make sense. See, I feel that one.
Sometimes I find that it helps to put like a little bit of nipple cream here, or like coconut oil or something. It just helps your nipple like slide a little bit nicer against the plastic. There it goes. There we go. And then turn it all the way over like this. You did it. Good. It's not very much, you're right, but I don't mind. It's gonna get better. It's gonna get better.
Okay. Okay, I just got off that call with a representative from Willow, which I'll tell you more about in a second, but I'm making myself some lunch and I wanted to show you what I made. I am having the gluten-free mission wraps with some spinach, some onions, Canadian bacon, and some eggs. And this will hold me over. I have to finish filming a couple things for Tone It Up. I'm gonna try to get that out of the way. Taz and I want to get a workout in. I just don't know what's gonna happen because Luna is not letting us do anything. She's currently, I'll show you what she's doing right now. She's asleep, just on him.
Oh, there she goes.
Oh.
This is the only way she'll like even remotely sleep is
Yeah.
if we're near her.
Yeah.
Or if like she feels us.
But it's okay,
So-
though. You have a little bit of milk right here, baby
We're
girl.
soaking it in.
yeah, so
That's all we can do.
all we can do. So I just finished filming the Tone It Up reel that I needed to make, and now I'm going to sit and edit Vlogmas for tomorrow. But I wanted to come on here and talk to you about my experience with the Willow specialist that I spoke to. Oh my gosh, you're looking so raggedy, girlfriend. So in full transparency, I was using the Willow, but every time I used it, it was just not cooperating. I would see leakage and it would like have a lot, and then I'd lose a lot of my milk. So I was like not really excited to use it. And then I reached out to them to let them know, and they were able to connect me with somebody from Willow, like a specialist. And we were on the phone or a Zoom call for an hour. She was so lovely, and her name was Ashley, or I guess is Ashley. And she just kind of walked me through everything and gave me a couple different like hacks for it to make it easier for me. And we went through like sizing, how to like how to correctly put it on my breast, take it off, how to store the milk, how to everything. And so that was really nice. I feel much better. What I want to do is actually try to focus on my milk supply now. I think since in the beginning people were saying that I was the one that was not producing much milk, I kind of was like, oh, c'est la vie, I'm not gonna like stress about it, so I'm just gonna supplement with formula. But now I feel like it's not me. I have the supply, or I had the supply, I should say. And since we're supplementing, I'm kind of like not putting as much importance on my pumping, which I shouldn't have. But now I feel a lot better. And because what I was gonna say is that it was just very inconvenient. Like I had to be attached to this pump. I couldn't do anything, and I'm already like low on time as it is. So since she was being fed, I was like, meh. But now that I am getting the Willow and I understand it and I know how to use it correctly, I'm excited to start pumping regularly again. She said 2 to 3 hours, so I'm gonna try to go for like every 3 hours. And she also recommended, Luna prefers one breast over the other, so she recommended that while Luna is feeding on the left breast, to pump on the right. And when she is done with the left breast, just insert the Willow on this one to finish off the session, so that my body can produce the milk that it needs to. Like if the red is going, then my body will be like, oh, I still have to like make milk. So I'm gonna do that. They said they're gonna check in on me, so I'm grateful for that. But yeah, no, I feel supported, and I feel like that was actually really helpful. And it's cool that they do that, because I know for me, breastfeeding has been the one thing that I'm kind of like, or was oblivious to. Like people make it sound so easy, either you can do it or you can't, but there's so much that goes into it. It's so personal, and it was really nice that they had that person for me. So I do have a discount code for them. I'll link it down below, but also I've mentioned giveaways, and stay tuned over on my Instagram for some giveaways, and may or may not be giving away a Willow pump. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you're following me over on Instagram, and you'll start to get all the details and how to enter and everything. But I'm gonna go edit, and I'll come back and show you my next meal in a little bit. Oh, I did have a protein cookie, but I ate it way too fast because I was starving. Y'all, I'm getting a little bit discouraged. I pumped earlier after the time I pumped on the phone with the Willow specialist, and I got not a lot. And now I'm doing it one more time, you can see. And we'll see what happens here. But we just finished Luna's bath routine. A lot of you have asked for her nighttime routine. We're still trying to figure it out. So if you're interested in that, let me know below and we'll do that. But it's, what time is it right now? 9:15. I just fed her, and now I'm finishing pumping, like I said, and Taz is giving her the bottle. I have to finish filming my last meal for Tone It Up, and then we're gonna have dinner, hopefully if she goes down. Okay, here's dinner. A bed of spinach, sweet potato, beef, grass-fed beef, I should say, and then broccoli on top. This looks so delicious.